Hello students and welcome to Edupedia World. My name is Shivam Mishra and today we are going to discuss the solutions to IIT JEE Advanced 2015 paper 1. The code which we are using is 4. Okay students, let us have a look at question number 14. Question number 14 is a slightly tricky question from organic chemistry. Let us have a look at it. It says that the major product of the reaction is, and we have been given a reagent which you can see clearly is an alpha amino acid, and then we are making it react with NaNO2 aqueous HCl 0 degree centigrade. Now the first thought which comes to students' mind, what I am predicting most of the students must have done, and I'm quite sure about it, this is what most of you must have attempted or tried to do while solving this question. See, the first thing which comes to mind is that we have NH2 group, and obviously there is, and we are taking NaNO2, okay? So obviously there is a chance of one CH3 over here and a CO2 group H, that is acidic group over here, and N2 positive on this position, that is a diazotization reaction will take place. So if this is what you have done, this is perfectly correct so far. Fine. So NH2 in presence of NaNO2, there will be diazotization and we'll get N2 plus over here. Now what most students have done after this is that we all know that this N2 plus is a super Leving group, it's a fantastic Leving group. So what most of you would have done is that you would have made this N2 plus depart from here like this, okay? This N2 plus depart from here like this, and post this, most students would have formed a carbocation at this place, CO2H group, and a carbocation over here, fine, and one CH3 group over here. And at this carbocation, now OH can attack from both sides, it is sp2 planar typical SN1 reaction, and they would have given their answers as OH from back and from front. So they would have given answers as B and D. Now let me tell you all that this is a wrong solution. First let me tell you why is this wrong. See, there is a very strong CO2H group which has a very strong minus M and minus I effect. So you cannot form a carbocation adjacent to it. This is wrong. No carbocation would be formed. So this is, if you are thinking in this direction, first step you are correct, diazotization, but you cannot form a carbocation over here. So instead what is going to happen in this case? It is a very popular example of, in one of the very good books of organic chemistry, that is Peter Sykes, that is the case of intramolecular attack, or so we speak, the neighboring group participation. So that is what is going to take place in this case, neighboring group participation, which we can also term in the short form as NGP. See, what happens is that this is the mechanism for the entire reaction I have drawn. Let me explain this to you. This NH2 group is present over here. The moment you add NaNO2 HCl, you get diazotization over here. Now as this N2 group leaves from here, this OH from the adjacent COH group attacks this carbon from the back side. This is a backside attack, and post this backside attack we get this intermediate, fine, and there is a 3-membered ring over here which you can see, but this oxygen is attached from the backside. So this is a 3-membered ring, okay? And as we all know, 3-membered rings are not very stable. So there is sufficient H2O in the solution. This H2O will attack from the front. This attack will only happen from the front, and we will get this bond departs from here, and we get OH and COH. So you can see this mechanism, due to this mechanism there will be a retention of configuration and not an inversion. You might be thinking, sir, why not SN2 mechanism? See, SN2 can't take place due to the large steric crowding. So there will be neighboring group participation, and this OH will come in the front. So again, if I go back to the options, B is now ruled out, and due to NGP and due to retention of configuration, only C will be my correct answer. Thank you.